Here in the U.S., two critical court hearings are scheduled for later today, connected with the criminal cases against former President Donald Trump. Both concern his efforts to stay in power after losing the 2020 election. Scott MacFarlane has the story.
Just days after we saw the booking photo of former White House Chief of Staff Mark Meadows, we could now see some of the inside details and evidence in the case against him. This morning, Meadows' lawyers will argue the criminal case accusing him of being part of a racketeering enterprise to overturn Georgia's 2020 election results should be moved from Fulton County to federal court because Meadows says he was acting as a federal official. CBS News legal analyst Ricky Kleeman.
His case is not frivolous. It is really possible that he could win it. On the other side of that, what Fani Willis, the DA, wants to say is he was not acting as a chief of staff.
Among the witnesses subpoenaed to testify today is Georgia's Secretary of State Brad Raffensperger, who was on this call with Meadows and Trump.
I just want to find 11,780 votes, which is one more than we have.
The former president's campaign says it has enjoyed a fundraising windfall after the release of his booking photo. More than $7 million from Thursday to Saturday, leading to criticism from one of his presidential rivals.
He's using that money to pay his legal fees. It's unethical. It's immoral.
Meanwhile, in Washington this morning, federal Judge Tanya Chutkan is expected to set Trump's trial date in the special counsel's election conspiracy case. Trump's defense wants a date in April 2026. Jack Smith asked to begin January 2nd, 2024.
If he gets lost in this shuffle of the other three cases, he may never get this case tried before the election in November of 2024. He has got to get it tried, and he's got to get it tried first.
Judge Chutkan had previously warned Trump's legal team she'd move the trial date earlier if he continues with vitriolic social media posts to avoid tainting the jury pool. And I've covered dozens of hearings in her courtroom over the past few years. Tony, she's been uniquely vocal, arguing democracy is fragile post-January 6th.
That's true. Scott, thank you very much.